What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. EMT here, Gabo here, and Laura here. And this video is filmed 100% on the Insta360 GO 3. Let's go to the museum. Oh! Alright y'all, the purpose of this video is to vlog. I want to vlog with the Insta360 GO 3 using the flip screen, the touch screen. And because of course I can't walk, thank you Gabo for wheeling me around. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. We're also going to take some photos with the Insta360 GO 3 and see how that looks, especially in low light environments. Alright, so far we've been able to compare the Insta360 GO 3 versus my iPhone 14 Pro Max using the ultra wide camera in a low light environment. Are you guys having fun? Hey! Alright, so far this has been an amazing experience, being able to vlog with this camera, being able to use the LCD screen to see, and then of course use the pendant and slab the camera. It's really useful, it's really cool, especially when you're being wheeled around. If you're in the Los Angeles area, visit the National History Museum. Really cool. They do clearly have accessibility accommodations. Thank you, Gabo, for pushing me around, and let me know what you think about the angles and the camera shots that I was able to achieve with the Insta360 GO 3. Like the ones that I put the camera like on the wheelchair, that was actually really cool. So thank you for hanging out with us. I'll see you in the next time.